Now let's talk about ClickBank. ClickBank allows you to accept payments to your site using credit cards and PayPal. So even if you don't have a PayPal account, you can open a ClickBank account and people can pay by PayPal. You also get paid every week by check or direct deposit in some countries. To open up a ClickBank account, all you have to do is go to clickbank.com, then go to sign up, then fill out the personal information here first, and then down here you're going to choose a nickname for your account. This ends up being your sign-in ID. So pick something here that you can remember. If you're opening this as an account to sell your product, in other words, if you're going to use ClickBank as your affiliate program, you should try and pick a nickname that has something in common with your product name. So I selected the name Squid Basics for my Squidoo Basics product if that was what I wanted to promote on ClickBank. Then you can click here to receive target account specific promotions from ClickBank. Down here you need to agree to the terms and conditions and click submit. Okay, and it will then send a link to your email address that you use on sign up, and then you click that to activate your account. Okay, so I click that link and then paste the confirmation code from my email in here, enter this text into this space, click finish to continue. After you do that, you'll get a page that gives you your username and password. Take note of that and then you can log in. And now we're logged in, our account's set up, and we're ready to earn commissions as an affiliate right away. Now all we have to do if we want to promote an affiliate product is to go to the marketplace, and then we can search for products within categories. So if we wanted to promote a product within health and fitness, we could put in a keyword here, maybe fat loss or weight loss, whatever you want. Okay, and then over on this side we want to search by high gravity. This is an indication that the product is selling well and does not have a lot of refunds. At this point, we're ready to choose the product we want and to get the link that we can use to promote the product and get a commission. From here, you can view the pitch page. If you click the pitch page, it shows you the sales page that your affiliate link will take you to. So you can have a look through the sales page, see if it does a good job of selling you, and if you're convinced, then it's a good possibility that other people will be convinced as well. You read the bullet points, and this is a well laid out page. So when you're happy with that, you can close that, and we can get what's called our hop link. If you click create hop link, a window comes up where you can put in your nickname here, which in my case was Squid Basics, which is my user ID actually, and that will create your hop link. I key in my nickname here, then you can put in a tracking ID. So for instance, if I was going to promote this through AdWords, I could put AdWords in there. Then when we create our hop link, you will see that you get your affiliate link and your nickname is on the front, dot the publisher nickname in the middle, .hop.clickbank.net, and this is the same format for all hop links. And at the end is our tracking ID. You don't have to use a tracking ID, it just helps to know if you make a sale which tracking ID produced for you. So let's copy our affiliate link and we'll paste it in a notepad for a minute here. Now, we should also paste this into our browser and see if the affiliate product comes up, and it should. So let's paste that in up here. And when I hit the enter key, it did in fact go to the sales page. So there's a good start. Next thing you want to do is go to the payment button. click on the payment button. And we're going to check to make sure that our affiliate ID was picked up. And if you see down here at the bottom, it says affiliate equals squidbasic.adwords. So this is our affiliate code, and this is our tracking ID. So we know now that if somebody buys the product through our affiliate link, the tracking system will send the commission to our account. And if we go back here, you can see that dollars per sale is about 23.34, and percentage of sale is 56%. 76% of people are referred, and the gravity again is an indication of how well the product sticks when people buy it and how popular it is for people to buy. Higher gravity is better. Okay, now we've already set this up as an affiliate account. That's easy. You just set it up and it's all ready to go. Next thing you can do is set it up to add your product to it, and then you have an affiliate program all set up and ready to go using ClickBank. You will also appear in the marketplace right after it's approved. So let's go to my account again. And then we can go to account settings. And then in here you have your personal information. Down at the bottom here you have payment information. You have a payment threshold and a payment method. You can edit that. And you can change your payment threshold to be lower or higher here. And now notice that we only have check available here and not direct deposit. And the reason is because you have to actually have 3 sales before that will be available to you. Okay, now the next thing we have here is my site. So what we can do is add our site in here. So our hop link target URL is the website that we created. And this is where people will be directed to when they use their affiliate hop link. Okay, so that's where we want to send them. Then here we give it a marketplace title and description. This is what shows within the marketplace. Let's go back to the marketplace, and okay, this is the name of the site here, and this is the description. So that's what we're filling in. So I'll put the title here. Okay, so something like that. Down here, the commission you're going to pay. So say we're going to pay 60%. You should always pay at least 50% in order to get affiliates to market it for you. First category you want it to show up in. So say home business, and then an alternate category here. And save the changes. Okay, down here you can set your payment methods. Allow credit cards is required, but you can change it whether or not you want to allow PayPal. So you can uncheck it if you don't want to allow it, and leave it checked if you do want to allow it. Okay, so now your retail price limitations on a new account is set at $50. You can get approval to make that larger in some cases just by emailing them and letting them know what you have in mind. But most of the time, products when you first open an account will be at $50. So let's save our changes. Now down here we have some advanced functions, secret key and instant notification URL. These are for external scripts, and it's advanced function. We're not going to get into that. Okay, so we have our site information set up. Now what we can do is go over to My Products. This is where we can set up the product that we want to sell. We've set up our website. Now we got to set up the actual product details in here. So we have a standard product or a recurring billing product. Standard product is just a one-time charge, and recurring billing is a charge that is going to recur on a regular basis. So let's add a new product. Okay, we're in test mode because you have to check it out before you can submit it. Item number 1. Okay, here we put our thank you page URL. This is where the customer is going to be directed after they purchase our product. Product currency. You can pick the currency you want to charge in here. We'll say US dollars. Our price is going to be $49.95 because of our price limitations. We'll have to keep it under $50. The language we're going to use, pick it out of the list down here. The title of the product. Now we'll save our changes. Okay, so now it's all set up for us. We have our URL to the thank you page here. We're item 1, and Squidoo Basics is our title. This is our price, our currency. We're in test mode, and it's pending approval. Now what you want to do is test our link. So we know that our nickname is Squid Basics, so we can do squidbasics.squidbasics.hop.clickbank.net to see if our product comes up properly. So let's put that in and see what happens here. And it did in fact come up properly. So we know that our site is now coming up the way it should. Now the next thing you would do is add your payment button to the site and go through a test cycle. So our payment URL is our nickname, which is squidbasics.pay.clickbank.net. So we'll put that on our sales page, and then when we go through the payment process in test mode, we will get directed to our download page, providing everything is set up properly. Once we've accomplished that and everything's right, we can submit it for approval by clicking the check mark here. Now we're back at our website, so let's test the payment process. Go to where our payment link is, and let's click on the payment link. It should bring us up a payment screen in test mode. Okay, and it says this is a test order, so we're all good here. Here you can switch your currency. Okay, so it's showing at $49.95 US is where we set it. Then what we can do is we can just fill in everything here. Okay, so I filled out my name and credit card information there. We click Pay Now. Okay, we got our thank you page, and this is the information they get. Tells them their receipt number and everything. We can complete our order, and it brought up our download page. Okay, so our payment process worked. Now what we could do is go back and we could submit this for approval. Now there are some things that you have to have in your thank you page in order for your product to be approved. First of all, you're going to have to thank your customer for making a purchase. You have to display your email address so they can get a hold of you, and you need to remind the customer that their credit card is going to show a charge from ClickBank or CLK Bank *com rather than a reference to your specific product. If the purchase was for a recurring billing product, be sure to restate the rebill schedule on your thank you page and collect additional information from the customer if you need to do that. Now, once it's approved, you're going to be asked to pay a fee, and once you pay that fee, your product's all set to go. You have your product all up and ready for affiliates to promote it. Now up here, you also have My Images, and you notice that you have product image down here showing none. So if you click on My Images, you can use the image here to show on your payment page. Now images are approved as soon as you submit them here. So you give the name of your image, an alternate tag, the type of image, and then you browse and find it on your computer. You upload it, and that's really all there is to it. Now the last thing I want to talk about here is cloaking your affiliate link. Affiliate links are pretty obvious because they contain your affiliate ID on the front, the publisher name, .hop.clickbank.net. Pretty much everybody in internet marketing knows what that is. So what you're going to want to do is mask your affiliate link. I'm going to show you two ways to do it. First of all, I'm going to show you how to do it using your own hosting account and a redirect. Let's just go to our cPanel here. Then from within our cPanel, we go down and find redirects. Then all you have to do is pick the domain you are going to have your redirect on, and then where we're going to redirect it to. So in here we would put our ClickBank affiliate link. And then we have to put something over here. So what we're going to have is biz2473665.com/ and whatever we put here is going to redirect to this particular affiliate link. So if we put here affiliate cash cow, when we type in biz2473665.com/ affiliate-cash-cow, it's going to redirect to our affiliate link. So let's add that, and then let's key that in up here just to prove that it works. Now this should redirect us to our affiliate product, and indeed it did. So that is one way you can do it. Another way is to use a service like Pinural. Let's go have a look at Pinural. Here we are at pinural.com. All you have to do is paste our affiliate link in here, click Make Pinural. Then we either sign in to our account if we have one, or we sign up by registering. Now that we're signed in, we can go to my Pinural list. And this is our Pinural here. And this is the redirect link. Over on the side, you get statistics with it, total hits, today's hits, etc. You can reset your counters by clicking here. You can edit it here and delete it if you don't want it there. So if we click on the redirect link, we should make sure that it works, and indeed it does. So that's all we have to do. Just copy this into your clipboard and then use it wherever you need a redirect.